So good morning everyone. So we are only three problems we are having to complete this chapter. So it is 10th one we are doing now. 10th one. So what is that? One of the exterior angle of a triangle is 105 and the interior opposite angles are in ratio 2:5. Find the angles of a triangle. So already we have did like this problem in before class, that is 7th problem. 7th problem and this problem is same. Okay. So what they gave in a triangle, exterior angle they have given as 105 and other two interior angles are in the form of 2:5. So these are not the degrees. They have given in the form of ratio, means the ratio can be in the form of multiples of the given value. Okay, so already I told you that ratio is a number which the result will be in the form of 2 multiples and 5 multiples. So I can take this as x and x. The answer will be in the form of 2 multiples and 5 multiples. And the exterior angle they have given as 105 degrees. So we have to find this x value as well as what are these two angles we have to find. So what we will write here, given ratio of two interior angles. What is the ratio they have given? 2:5. So the result will be in the form of 2x and 5x. And also they have given the exterior angle as of a triangle is 105 degrees. So how to find this x value? Already we know that sum of two interior angles will be equals to exterior angle, that is by using exterior angle property. So by using exterior angle property, we are using the x value. So what is that? Sum of two interior angles will be equals to exterior, that is 2x plus 5x is equals to 105 degrees by using exterior angle property. Okay. Now 2x plus 5x is how much? 7x is equals to 105 degrees. So I am transposing this 7 to other side. So 105 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7 35s are. So x value how much you got? Sorry. 15s are. So you got the x value as 15. Okay. Now you substitute this x value in the given two interior angles. So what is the first interior angle? They have given us 2x. So 2 is a constant value. X is what? 15. That is equals to 30 degrees. So first interior angle is how much? Here 30 degrees. Now we have to find second interior angle. That is 5x. So 5 into 15, that will be 75 degrees. So what is the first interior angle? That is 30 degrees and second interior angle is 75 degrees. So this is our 10th solution. Okay. Next is 11th one. What is 11th one here? So they have given one figure. We have to find the x value and y value. So this figure they have given, so we have to find the x value and y value. So how to find the x value and y value? Before finding this x value, I am finding the y value. How to find the y value? Sum of two interior angles will be equals to exterior angle. So by using exterior angle property, we can find the y value. So from the figure, that is 30 degrees plus 50 degrees will be equals to y degrees. 30 plus 50 is how much? 80 is equals to y degrees. So y value you got it as 80 degrees. Here you are using exterior angle property. That is, sum of two interior angles will be equals to exterior angle. So this is our y value. How we have find it? Y value. Now we have to find the x value. How to find the x value? By using again exterior angle property. That is, sum of two interior angles will be equals to exterior angle. That is, y degrees plus 55 degrees will be equals to x. Already you got the y value as 80 plus 55 is equals to x. That is how much it will be? 135 degrees is equals to x. So you got the x value as 135 by using which property? Again here we are using exterior angle property. Okay, so first we have find it this y value. Sum of two interior angles is equals to y exterior angle. For this triangle, this is the outer part. You can see in this way. Here 50 they have given. This is 30. This is y. So for this triangle, this is the outer part. Okay, so this will become the exterior angle. So sum of two interior angles will be equals to exterior angle. In the same way, this part, sum of two interior angles will be equals to exterior angle. So in this case I have found it the values of x and y. So last bit now, that is fifth problem. We didn't do this, we didn't complete this fifth one. So listen carefully. So what is the question? They have given one figure. Okay, this figure they have given. So what is the question? In the figure, angle BAD is equals to 3 angle DBA. So find angle CDB. Where is CDB? CDB. So this angle we have to find. Okay, always the middle alphabet will belongs to the angle. Next is DBC. DBC. B is in middle, so this angle we have to find. And next is ABC. ABC. This full angle we have to find. Okay. So this double marks we have to find. This angle and this full angle we have to find. So how to find that we will see. So what is the given question they have? What is the given things they have given? That is given angle BAD is equals to 3 angle DBA. So they have given this, and what we have to find? We have to find these angles. To find angle CDB, angle DBC and angle ABC. So we have to find these angles. So how to find? We will see. First I am finding this D angle. What I am finding? D angle. That means this part I am finding. So how to find this D angle? You can see here, this one, this angle and this angle, if you attach, these are like in this figure. So if you attach these two, that is forming one linear pair that belongs to 180 degrees. So by using the linear pair property, we can find this D angle. Okay, so find now. So how to write that one? Angle CDB plus BDA will be equals to how much? 180 degrees by using the linear pair. This angle I have taken CDB and BDA, and this angle I have taken. If you attach these two, it is forming one linear pair that is equals to 180 degrees. So by using linear pair, I have added these two. So we don't know this value. I am writing as it is. This value they have given as 104 is equals to 180. I am transposing this 104 to other side. That will be 180 minus 104. So CDB value will be how much? It will be 7. So that will be 76 degrees. So this value you got it as 76 degrees. Now I am finding this angle, only this part. So how to find? Already by using interior ASP, that is angle sum property, you can find this angle. Okay, sum of three angles will be equals to 180 degrees. I am not taking this one. Only this part I am using. I want to find only this part. So from this triangle I am finding. Sum of three angles will be equals to 180. I want to find this. Okay, I am writing in three alphabet manner. So from triangle BDC, from triangle BDC. So B, how you can write? You can write in the form of DBC and plus, and C I am writing in the form of BCD plus angle D you can write in the form of CDB is equals to 180 degrees by using ASP. ASP is nothing but angle sum property. So this angle DBC and C we can write in the form of BCD and D can be written in the form of CDB. The sum of three interior angles will be equals to 180 by using angle sum property. So this DBC we don't know, so I am writing as it is, plus BCD they have given us 65 plus CDB value you got it as 75 is equals to 180. So angle DBC plus add these two values, 5 plus 5 will be 10, 12, 13, 14, that is 140 is equals to 180. Transpose is 140 to other side. So angle DBC will be equals to 180 minus 140. So therefore angle DBC value you got it as 40 degrees. So this one you got it as 40. Now what we have to find? We have to find full B value. Before finding the full B value, first we have to find this part. So from now in triangle ABD I am using this part. This triangle I am using. So angle B we can write in the form of, first write angle B, angle C and angle A. So what is angle B? Angle B you can write in the form of ABD or AB, yes, ABDBA. Yes, you can write in the form of DBA. Now angle A I am writing in the form of BAD, BCD AD. Always you see the middle alphabet. A is an angle, B is an angle. Okay. So next we got B angle, A angle. Now we have to find this D. How to write this D? D we can write in the form of ADB is equals to 180 degrees. That is by using angle sum property. Angle B I wrote in the form of DBA, and angle A I wrote in the form of BAD, and angle D I wrote in the form of ADB. Okay, so that is equals to 180 degrees because it forms a it is by using angle sum property. Now already in question this angle DBA is, we don't know any, what is the value of DBA we don't know, so I am writing as it is, plus BAD you can write in the form of 3 angle DBA plus this value D angle is 104 is equals to 180 degrees. This value we don't know, so I wrote as it is. In place of angle BAD, already they have given 3 angle DBA. So in place of this I am substituting this value plus this value they have given us 104 is equals to 180. Now DBA plus DBA will be equals to 1 angle DBA plus 3 angle DBA will be equals to 4 angle DBA plus 104 degrees is equals to 180. Okay, now you transpose this 104 to other side. 4 angle DBA is equals to 180 minus 104. So that will be 4 angle DBA is equals to how much it will be? 676. Now I am transposing this 4 to other side, that will be in the form of division. 76 by 4. 4 ones are 4 ones are 4. 4 nines are 36. So you got DBA value as 19. So this DBA value is how much? 19. Now what we have to find? We have to find this whole B value. So angle ABC is equals to ABC can be written in the form of, again this angle has been divided into 2 parts. So we can write in the form of ABD plus DBC. So this angle we can write in the form of, this angle has been divided into 2 parts. One part is 19, other part is 40. Okay, so this is here, it is they have given as A, this is B, and this is C, and this is D. Okay, so this angle, this ABC, this angle B, how I am writing? I can write it as ABD, this angle, and also I can write in the form of DBA. So these 2 angles, after mixing these 2 angles, it is forming one angle B. Total angle B it is forming. So ABC, angle ABC is equals to ABD value is how much? 19 degrees plus DBC value is how much? 40 degrees. So angle ABC value will be how much here? 59 degrees. So you got all the angles now. ABC value you got it as 59, and remaining values also this this angle we got it as 76, and this value angle we got it as 40. So with this our chapter is completed. So in next class we will start our new chapter. Okay, so with this our class is completed. Thank you.